Hey, so you landed on this video because you're interested in, Copy Pro traders and you want to see me deposit $5,000 into my account and start trading with it and be able to track exactly our performance. And that's what I'm going to show you. Let's go. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, as well as this one as well. And look, today we're going to show you a real-time me deposit over $4,000 into my Kraken account to bring this balance up to 5,000, and then so that we can take more trades. So basically, we're going to be taking $300 trades with the trader. Right now, I'm taking $100 trades, and I want to document everything in real time. Currently, we are up right now. You can see I had started off with a balance of 1,050, something like that. And right now, we have 1,123. But due to the fact that the trades are going for 2% gains, between 2, 5, and the most that they've ever taken was 12% gains, I knew that was a slow play. And why run slow when we can run fast, especially when I got money sitting in the wallet right now, right? Just collecting dust, just sitting, waiting for a price to rise or fall. So I said, you know what? Instead of waiting for money to rise as it climbs, why don't I just put this money into my Kraken account and then up my trade size? And that's exactly what we're going to do. So I'm going to do this in real time so you guys can see it. And then we're going to track it together. All right, so let's go. All right, so I'm in my wallet right now. Double check. It's not formatted properly. So let's go back to our checking account and let's go fund. Okay, so you see right there, we are sending 4,251. So we're going to send that. And now we just wait for it to clear the blockchain. And then our balance here should change to 4,000. So we'll wait for that. All right, so you can see that my balance has just changed. Now it's got $5,402 in there, more than enough to be able to leverage and take $300 trades, because basically they say leverage up to like 15, no more than like 15% of your account. Basically, be able to take, at least be able to be in 10 trades at any given time. And the reason why is because if you see right here, right now we got quite a few trades that's in the red, right? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades in the red. So if all I could take right now was 7 trades, let's say, then that means I wouldn't been able to get these other 2 trades. I wouldn't be able to get anything else that they might that will come out. So I would have to wait for all these to close. And sometimes these might take time to close because these are swing trades. So it might take a day, it might take a week, it might take who knows. And if it's taking time for these to trade, then that means, for these to close, that means I won't be able to get into any other trade that he wants to open up. So if he wanted to open up, let's say 3, 4 more other trades that are going to be profitable a lot sooner than these, I would just be stuck. I'll be at wait. Basically, your equity. Okay, so your equity down here would be a lot lower than your total balance. Like right now, I got 5,402.27, but if you notice, my equity is only 4,520 because I got some money tied up in these trades. And until these close, I can't do anything, right? So that's why you want to have enough money to leverage. You don't want to have a $500 account taking $100 trades and then wondering why you're not in 10 trades. Okay. All right. So we're gonna go to Copy Pro Traders now, and we're going to change it. You see right here where it says I'm taking $100 trades with Marcus. Then now I'm going to change that to 300. Okay. As you can see right here, they label actually who's in first. So right now Marcus in first, Jonathan's in second, Doha's in third, and this changes monthly, and this is going by the ones that's getting the most results, like the most gains out of their trades. All right, so we're going to go ahead and choose 300, and then we're going to save. Okay, so now we're taking $300 trades with Marcus versus $100 trades. And now we should be able to see some bigger gains, bigger profits, and I will be documenting everything. So now the new price is 5,401.27 that we started at. I'm gonna write that on my board over here, and we're going to keep track of it, and then we'll see what this looks like in a week, in a month, so forth and so on. All right. So cool. So if you're interested in Copy Pro Traders, you're like, hey, I like what I see and I want to get involved, then definitely hit the link below, cptelite.com. Or if you still got questions, you know I got answers. Call me, 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions you have. If you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button. That way you get notified when I do my videos. And hey, I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, have a blessed day.